Hello, welcome to this presentation which provides you some essential concepts about and a demonstration showing how to create a referenced file location in Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control. Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control includes a software library feature for storing virtual machines and assemblies, also called virtual appliances. The cloud administrator is responsible for configuring referenced file locations. Privileges for this configuration are granted by default to the cloud administrator, but not the self-service administrator nor the self-service user. Three types of locations are supported: HTTP, NFS, and OMS agent. To create a referenced file location for an HTTP server, include the name of the location used in Oracle Enterprise Manager. The location provided must be a URL that includes the protocol, HTTP or HTTPS, the full name of the server, the port if necessary, and the path to the directory on the server where the virtual machines and assemblies are stored. Create a referenced file location for an NFS server by providing a name and the fully qualified name of the NFS server. The full path to the directory where assemblies and virtual machines are stored must be input to the location. The OMS agent type of referenced file location requires a name, the fully qualified name of the host running the agent, and the location as specified in the full directory path to the location where virtual machines and assemblies are stored. Next, create an HTTP referenced file location for the software library, see how to edit it, then remove it. In this session, I'm logged in with an administrator based on the Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Administrator role. To create a referenced file location for the software library, navigate from the Setup menu to Provisioning and Patching, then to Software Library. After the Software Library Administration page appears, click the Referenced File Locations tab. The Referenced Files location list appears. I have obscured locations in this demonstration. However, all locations in this demonstration are HTTP. Click on the Storage Type menu selection to see the three types of storage supported: HTTP, NFS, and Agent. Leave HTTP as the selected type. Click Add. The dialog box inputs that appear are for an HTTP location. Here, enter the name of the location, Oracle DB19C. The location stores some different templates for creating Oracle databases. The URL to this location is in the paste buffer, so I paste it into the location input. Click OK. The new location appears on the list. Close the status message that appears. To edit the location, select the record on the list and click Edit. The Edit Location dialog box appears. Only the name can be changed when editing a location. Keep the current value and click Cancel. To remove a location from the list, select the record on the list and click Migrate and Remove. When the confirmation dialog box appears, click Remove. The referenced file location list returns with a status message confirming the removal of the location. In this presentation, you received an overview of the Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control Software Library Referenced File Location feature, and you saw how to create, edit, and remove a referenced file location. This ends the presentation. Thank you for watching.